everyone, welcome to another ballet variation tutorials. I'm Yelena and this is Ballet for All. Today you're going to be learning Medora from Le Corsair, and in saying that, let's get ready and let's get to it. Okay, so first phrase, first step. We are going to be classical pose, croisé, facing the right diagonal in front of us, right leg on the back. With the music we step fourth position and change, transfer body weight back, ending in badminton due in front, left leg in front. Next we are going to do demi-plie and glissade towards the right side. My right leg is going to do a la seconde straight and a small rounded jump forward to do a envelope that ends with a petit développé to the back. I'm saying to do a petit développé and petit envelope because the original movements, we all know that is a big envelope développé. Now we are trying to do this for all levels, so if you want to do B1, the height for both legs to meet is like in a passe retiré before opening. However, to make it fair for everyone, let's do very small petit envelope, petit développé, okay? So we finish the envelope with left leg on the back. We are going to do demi-plie in first position, attitude relevé, left leg still in front. And our first phrase is by repeating this 3 times, moving towards the right diagonal in front of us. So we are going to repeat everything from the beginning 3 times in total, and that's going to be our first phrase. Let's do it together. Croisé, classical pose, 5, 6, 7, plie, glissade, petit développé enveloppé, plie, attitude, and again, glissade, petit développé enveloppé, plie, attitude. Third time. Attitude. Now, our second phrase from this attitude, we're going to do demi-plie, soutenue that ends with right leg in front, croisé facing the left diagonal in front, and we are going to run towards the left side. Okay, so let's do it from the last petit enveloppé, petit développé, demi-plie, attitude, plie, fifth position. At this point we still have left leg in front, détourné, turning by right side, right leg in front, petit développé with left leg, and run towards the left side. From here we are going to do chassé that ends in effacé, badminton due to the back, right leg on the back, and we are going to do towards the right diagonal on the back, piqué coupé, piqué pirouette en dedans, demi-plie, chassé arabesque. Yes? Okay, let's do it slowly. Chassé, and I have right leg on the back. I'm effacé, right? We are going to do piqué, left leg coupé on the back, coup de pied on the back, step facing the right diagonal on the back, piqué en dedans, close in front, that left leg, chassé arabesque, first arabesque. And we are going to repeat this 2 times. So beginners, 2 options for you. Chassé, piqué, pirouette en dedans, or another option, after that tendu, we go piqué fifth position, piqué soutenu, petit développé, arabesque. Okay? Which one you're gonna choose depends on your own level. So let's keep moving forward to do this 2 times to move to our third phrase. Let's do it from the détourné, run towards the left side. Plie, détourné, petit développé with left leg, run, chassé, tendu, stay, and 1, 2, 3, chassé arabesque. Another option, 1, piqué soutenu, left leg, arabesque. That's it, perfect. Our third phrase begins after the last chassé arabesque, and what we're going to do is to move towards the right side by doing step, step, petit développé, piqué attitude. Okay, slowly, one more time. Last chassé arabesque, and step, step, and with right leg we do petit développé, piqué attitude, left leg on the back, and go back again, chassé, piqué fifth position. So from the last chassé arabesque, we go step, step, petit développé with my right leg, piqué attitude, left leg on the back, and do chassé towards the left side, left leg in front, piqué fifth position, croisé facing the left diagonal, right leg in front. And then we are going to run, run, run towards the left diagonal in the back and finish tendu, forward croisé, facing the right diagonal in front. Any questions? We want to do this one more time. It's very simple, okay? Let's do the last part of the second phrase. Chassé arabesque. Piqué, piqué soutenu, petit développé arabesque, and step, step, piqué attitude. Chassé, piqué fifth position. Run, 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 run towards the diagonal, step, croisé. Okay, let's move forward to our last phrase. It's the diagonal of the petit développé tan levé all the way to the diagonal. So from this tendu croisé, we are going to do plié. Right leg in tendu, we go up, plié, up, plié, up. We are going to do 14, so 12, 13, 14, plié, piqué, soutenu, and tourné. I'm finishing with right leg in front, facing the left diagonal, demi-plié, relevé. And that's the entire variation. Now let's do everything together from the beginning, no arms coordination yet. Okay, so let's join now all of the phrases together, 1, 2, and 3, and let's do the variation from the beginning and no arms coordination yet. Ready? Let's do it. Classical pose, facing the right diagonal in front, croisé, right leg on the back, 5, 6, tendu, 7, plié, glissade, enveloppé, petit développé, plié, attitude. 2 more. Plié, attitude. 3rd time. Plié, attitude, demi-plié, détourné, and run, 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 chassé. From here, remember to do any of these variations I'm gonna do. Piqué, and then chassé, arabesque. 5th position, piqué soutenu, petit développé, step, step, piqué attitude, chassé, piqué 5th position, run, 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 step. Ready for the diagonal? 7, plié, and 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's it, that's the entire variation. Now we just need to add arms coordination, and after we're gonna do it with music. Arms coordination, from the classical pose, remember, you have right leg on the back, right arm up and left arm down. And with the music, demi-plié, arms go to brava, left arm goes to 5th position, both open. With the glissade, we're going to open arms, glissade, goes 1, 2, plié, same leg, same arm. And repeat the same 2 more times. Which one is this arabesque? Leave me a comment down below if you know the name of this arabesque. Plié, attitude. 3rd time, glissade, enveloppé, petit développé. Arabesque, attitude, plié, détourné, and run, run, run. We do that one more time. So, classical pose, plié, up, open, glissade, tac, tac, plié, attitude, glissade, enveloppé, développé, plié, attitude. Next phrase, the chassé tendu is the same arm that we had in the beginning. This same arm is the same, but now show me your back with a bonnet. And then both variations are going to have the same arms coordination. Same leg, same arm, and then plié, chassé arabesque. Now if we have piqué 5th position, it's the same, and the same. So, 3rd position, same leg, same arm, 1st, 5th, arabesque. Okay, so let's do it together, 1 and 2 repetitions of that. So, chassé arabesque, show me your back, both shoulders, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. We keep moving forward. Remember, after we do that, we step 1, 2, pique attitude. The same epaulement. Remember, there are 2 steps, right, left, pique. Left arm up and left leg attitude. Chasse, pique 5th position. Right leg, right arm are going to be in front and up. Let's do this one more time. Last chasse. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Awesome. Next, we have the diagonal, the end and last phrase. We are facing the right diagonal croisé, which means we have left leg in front, and arms are going to be for you. There is an accent with the music in which you have to do ram, bang. Okay, so move at your risk, bang. And my right arm is going to open and brava, 1st, 5th, open, 5, and then change to the left arm. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Releve final pose, 5th position. Let's do everything from the beginning with arms and legs coordination, however, no music yet, okay? Let's do it. Classical pose, right arm up, left arm down, 5, 6, 7, plie, glissade, 1st position, arabesque, attitude, allonge, 1st position, arabesque, attitude, allonge, 1st position, arabesque, attitude, détourné, run, run, chasse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Run, 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 run. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.